Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are here again with our IW8 Smartwatch, and of course, this time we are going to check on the Bluetooth connectivity, the Bluetooth call, as well as the message notifications. Okay, previous video we do have the review of its features and menus, and of course the specifications as well as the design. So this time we are going to go with a messaging feature of the wearable. So if you have any questions regarding the demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Okay, we are already done connecting or pairing the IW8 Smartwatch. So it is using the IW8 Support App. We already bind it with the smartwatch here, as you can see. And of course, let's test or let's try to see if the message and call notification works. So there's a lot of permissions for the IW8. So to be able to receive call and message notifications, just go here on the notification section. So as you can see here, just toggle it on, or activate. For example, I want to receive messages from WhatsApp, Messenger, and Twitter. You can just activate it, as well as the phone and the SMS. So we have other options here. So there's a lot of options when it comes to notifications for this wearable. So it almost support all of the apps installed on your phone. So let's check first whether we are connected or not. So let's try find device. So seems like everything's okay for the Bluetooth here. We already connected here IW8. This is for the smartwatch. And the IW8 call, if you want to receive calls and messages here for this one. I'll show it to you. As you can see here, connected to a phone, audio, media audio. It is also, you also need this to be able to use the smartwatch for music playing. So let's check. Let's go first with our WhatsApp application here. So let's see. Previously we already tried it and it works. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. As you can see, it works. And we also have a logo here. Phone. So we have the details here. Let's try it again. I'm curious, every phone that we, or every smartwatch that we use, the emoticons did not work. Let's see if this one works. Phone emoji. So we don't have the icons here, but it says emoji smile, so it works sort of for this one. So just a label. What else do we have? Let's try for the SMS. Show. Let's try this one. Hello, I love you. We're sending. Message sent. So it works for the application messaging as well as the SMS messaging. So if you want to see, it's here on the bottom part. Let me just swipe. and you will see the icons here, including the message. Tap on if you want to read the message. Okay, so another feature for this one is the call notifications. So we have it here. Okay, over the Bluetooth call. Just tap on it, and you will see here it supports contact, call logs, dial pad, call setup, and we have SOS emergency here. Okay, so let's try. Let's see if this smartwatch can receive calls. Okay, on our phone here, let's go to contacts. Okay, so let's call this one. Let's call Xiao and call the number. Okay, we'll be able to receive calls. Okay, it works. Okay, you can answer or deny the call. Okay, so it works. So can we see it here? We have the call logs here, missed call, as you can see. You have the details. Oh, I automatically dialed it. Okay, so let's go here for the contacts here. So we have a contact here, although there's no name, but it's already preloaded here. So how did you do that? Okay, so if you want to add contacts to your smartwatch, okay, just go to your support app. Okay, we have it here. Go to your device, go to contacts, as you can see on the bottom part, and we have here some contacts. Okay, this is our phone here. Just tap here, add, and you can add a contact here. When you synchronize your app to the smartwatch, it will be added here. Okay, so that's it. So we have a contact already here. So let's try. Let's call this phone. Tap on contacts. Let's call. Okay, it's now dialing. Let's see if this one will receive it. Okay, as you can see, the speaker is very good. It's very loud. And okay, so far it works. What if you use the dial pad? Okay, go to your dial pad here, and let's see, 091980929094. Okay, we have it here. It's now dialing. Okay, like we made a mistake for the number. Let's see, 0919. Again, 0. Okay, that's not the number. Okay, I told you we made a mistake. Okay, again, 0969615839. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, so the call or the dial pad works here, as well as the call logs. Okay, so let's try to contact, or let's see if we can receive message. Okay, let's go back here first. Okay, as you can see, we have the settings here: vibration and silent. Let's see if we do have settings for the sound. Okay, or for the ringtone, do we have? Okay, so we don't have that one here. Anyway, let's try and call this number here. Okay, cell phone, and let's see. if you can answer it. Okay, so we are receiving calls. Okay, let's try. Hello? I'm calling. I'm calling here. Okay. So it works. And that's it. Okay. So everything works for the calls here. So it shows here your activity. Okay. The app you recently accessed. So here for the calls, so it works. Everything is okay. Everything works. Our message notifications also works, as you can see. Okay, so you can also delete it here. And so far, no issues with a pairing or setting up your smartwatch to the Bluetooth call feature here. Okay, so again, if you have any questions regarding this demo, okay, please drop a comment below, and of course we will answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.